everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I'll teach you step by step how to crochet these simple daisy flowers. Before we get started, if you like the tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Also activate the notifications bell so you don't miss any of my new tutorials. You can support the channel by becoming a member. Choose your subscription plan to access exclusive benefits. Let's get started. Make a magic ring. Chain 3 and make 5 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now yarn over and pull through all the loops. Chain 1 and repeat for 9 times. Make 5 loops into the circle. Yarn over and pull through all the loops together. Then chain 1. Pull the yarn tail to close the circle. Skip the chain 3 and make a slip stitch into the chain 1 from the first loop. Cut the yarn and weave in all this yarn. Make another piece. This time don't cut the yarn and bring the other piece. Put the back side on the back side. Insert the hook into the next stitch from the same side here and into this stitch from the other side and make a single crochet. Insert the hook under the 2 loops for the 2 sides and make single crochet. And repeat all the way around. Make a slip stitch into the first single crochet. Cut the yarn Make a slip knot with the white color. Take off the hook and insert it into any stitch. Then place the loop on the hook and pull it through. Chain 4. Into the next stitch, make 4 double treble crochet. Then chain 4. And make a slip stitch into the next stitch. Chain 4. Into the next stitch, make 4 double treble crochet. Then chain 4 and make a slip stitch into the next stitch. Into the last petal after you chain 4, make a slip stitch into the last stitch here. Then chain 1 and cut the yarn. Thanks for watching, and if you like the tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment because this will help the channel to grow.